Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for the finale in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this chocolate caramel water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my water marble today, I'm going to be using China Glaze Goin My Way, as well as Yee-Haw and Holo Taco Matte Taco. That's going to let the base color peek through, and as the base, I'm going to be using a gradient of Goldie but Goodie and Fireside Glow. Since I'm starting with a gradient, I'm also going to start by applying my protection. I am not going to be switching my protection after I sponge, so I just went ahead with my usual tape as well as liquid latex. And now I'm going to apply these two glitters onto a sponge and then apply that to my nails as the base color. As usual for water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I've got the bullseye built, I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center out to the sides, and then from the sides back in towards the middle. Once I have the design drawn in, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails and then dip in. I'm going to remove any excess polish from the surface so it doesn't stick to my nails. Then I'm going to remove the protection and marble the rest of my nails. I'm going to be using a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath my nails. And then I'm going to go in for closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. Water marbles on top of gradients are always pretty cool, and the gradient being glitter just adds that little bit of extra holiday sparkle. I do want to show off that sparkle for you guys, but first let's take a look back at the series via Peely. The Winter Water Marble Wonderland was quite a project for the 10th year of the 12 Days of Christmas. Starting out day 1 with the Shimmering Snowdrifts, day 2 the Sugar Plum Water Marble, day 3 the Arctic Whirlpool, day 4 Merry Cranberry, day 5 Snowy Evergreen, day 6 Glacial Glimmer, day 7, Opulent Ornament, day 8, Mulled Wine, day 9, Northern Lights, day 10, the Gilded Teal Gift Wrap, day 11, the Amethyst Advent, and wrapping it all up with day 12, the Chocolate Caramel Water Marble. I do hope you guys all enjoyed, and one more flashlight time for the series. Of course, if you'd like to see the extended tutorial with all of the testing for this marble, that's up now over on my VODs channel. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this and the whole series down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.